I'm not.
Fire for your life.
Huh?
Fire for your life. Yeah. Bad making all this noise.
That's how I feel.
2 hours later.
What shoes you need? See? That's why I told you to watch out.
Aw, girl, get your butt out the camera. That's not ladylike. Thank you.
Just in the way.
Brooklyn, you want to have kids?
Huh?
Can she have kids?
No.
Damn it.
I'm about to open up the stuff from my desk.
So we're just opening the box, just checking the papers. The first thing we pulled out, hold on, can you hold it closer to the camera so we can see? We have a dual charging station. It's in a circular formation, so
Power
it can be
strip.
used all around. That's what I said. Different terms, different audience. Okay, I lied. We have a keyboard wrist rest. What the hell is that? We have this. Ariana's gonna explain more on what that is.
I'll open it.
Soft fluffy.
So it looks like a
Oh,
clap.
that's the thing you rest your hand on while you're typing.
There we have box number 2. My keyboard. But I got yellow.
That's going pretty.
That's my theme is yellow. Like a pastel yellow.
It doesn't take up a lot of space.
Nope. And then we have my desk stand. My desk stand is glass.
Oh. Do not let Brooklyn up on that is.
I'll show y'all his closet once he's done. We have the stuff for our desk. Chair, desk. And let's do a little bit of unboxing. Okay, so my theme for my desk is like buttered yellow, and my chair is like not a lime green, but like a sage green. And this is one of the ones. It's kind of like a lazy Susan, so it spins around. So I got that. Yeah. I like the shape of the keys. They're circles. Yeah. And then we have the mouse. So I'm not gonna lie, I haven't had a desk since elementary school. Yeah, since elementary school. I think I haven't had a desk since I was like 9 or 10, I think. But it was like always in my room. But it was kind of like a shared thing. Like most people come to my room to use the computer, but it was, yeah, I think it was like 9 or 10. But right now, I think I'm gonna build the chair up first. Build the chair. Whoop, whoop. Actually, I think I might do the desk first and then the chair, because I feel like the desk will be a little more easy to put together because it's not that many pieces versus the chair. So, yeah. Okay, so the chair and the desk is built. This is what it looks like. Here's my monitor and the chair. The chair leans back too, and it has like a little foot thing for my feet up. So, boom. So it's kind of like the room is like split in half. So that's his side, this is my side. Because originally, you know, it was turned this way and mine's gonna be that way. But the couch is kind of going to be in the way, so I'm going to move the couch over a little bit, but that'll be later. Probably this weekend I'll do that because I need to fix everything or how it's going to be set up in this room. So, yeah. I'll set everything up probably this weekend. So I'll just put everything on my desk. So, Bobby. Like, this wasn't supposed to come until next week, bro. We just ordered this on Sunday, and it's Wednesday. I like it. This is I believe this is the 3-seater. We have an ottoman, and I think the other box is the 2-seater. And I feel like the box that's all the way downstairs is the chair, but I need to go look at the box again. Our living room is about to be like that. Like, I was a little scared with like the table that we have, the coffee table, because it's basically the same color as the couch. But I like it. It opens up the space. So, I'm not gonna lie. I thought we'd be able to put the 2-seater here, but seeing how big this is, we gonna have to rearrange a little more. We gotta figure something out. Cause it's looking like that 2-seater is gonna go in there. Okay, so I opened up both. I moved the ottoman to the other room because it was just crowded up. But it's just what we have. I thought it would be cool just to have that at an angle, because the projector would be here to show off of this wall. So, I don't know. I don't know. Okay. Hi you guys. As you can see, we're in the other room. I put the ottoman that we had that was in the living room originally in here just to give it some type of balance and also like kind of coordinate that room with this room a little bit. But yeah, I got a package, my last package for my desk. It is my desk mat. Let's open it up. It looks like a scroll, but I'm not gonna put it on my desk right now because I am still working. But it's kind of like the yellow, so it kind of goes a little bit. This is like a little bit darker. I had to get a new one because the original one I was gonna get sold out. So this is the replacement. So I'm gonna put this here. So I'll show y'all my desk. Now, please mind that this is not the full setup or how I want it to be. I'm still playing with everything, but yeah. This is my boyfriend's side. We still have to give him a chair and a monitor. This is just what mine looks like. So please be mindful. So this is my chair. I love this so much. But yeah, here's my mouse and my keyboard. My little squishy thing. Now, here's where I put my, it's like a little mini Lazy Susan for pens and markers and everything. I put my PlayStation up here because I have Sims on my PlayStation 4. So I want to see if I can connect it to my monitor and just sit here play the game instead of connected to the TV. So, and I think maybe it'll be easier if I can actually use the keyboard to actually play instead of the controller. But here's my monitor. Y'all seen this before. And I took my little bear that I had on my phone to put it on here. I had lost it at first. It fell off, but it would end up being in my car. So I put it on there just to be a little cute. So I want to get more like little trinkets. Now here's my desk stand. It's glass, so I put both of them next to each other. I'm still trying to figure out if I want to do that. Bless me. Is where my little calendar thing is. But you can really see it once my work computer isn't here. But that's the little outlet thing to have multiple plugs. And this is just my view from my desk. I love this chair so much though. Look, I can go all the way back and I can like hold it there too. I'm not sure. So right now my feet is up. It's locked in place. Locked it. Now it's lift all the way up to where it makes me sit up. I can lay down, bro. Like I can lay all the way out. And I can lock it. Let's lock it like right here. It stays right there. And it comes with a pillow. So this pillow actually helps. Kind of helps me sit up straight. But this is my desk. That's what this looks like now. Now, let me show you guys the living room so far. The living room is not complete yet. We still have to get other items. So, this is what the living room is looking like. Those boxes will go in the trash. There's styrofoam and all that. We got this blanket from IKEA. Really like it. So, it kind of balances it out a little bit. Now, here's the coffee table with the light. I kind of put the books out, so I laid them out like this purposely. That's the Rolex book. That's a fashion design book. You know, all the magazines, and of course we had to put Naomi on the front. This is my boyfriend's book that he had. I had read like a couple pages out of it, but y'all see what that say. And then the infamous lamp. Now these are the picture frames that we're gonna put up. Most likely they're gonna be here on the wall, or might put like one there, or like some here. But the goal is we're gonna have more frames. So here's some of the books and magazines that we have. You know, fashion, because we both make clothes. And here's like some of my books that I have that I can read and everything. So just different books. And yeah, this is the couch. Again, this is the 3-seater and this is the 2-seater. So this is the living room. And of course we're gonna have like a little amount right here that we can put more books on, and the projector will be on. So the projector will be on this big wall. So sooner or later we'll be able to watch TV in our living room. But until then, we have a secondary living room. But we also, so the more pieces that we're gonna get in here is, of course, we're gonna get a rug. You get a floor lamp. The floor will be in this corner right here. Of course, more picture frames. Pillows, of course. We're gonna play a little around with the pillows and everything. Of course, like I said, the stand, and that's really it that I have so far right now. But yeah, that's the plan for the living room. The other room is kind of done in a way. We just have to clean it out and, you know, organize stuff. But we have to figure out where we're gonna put our boxes of fabric. So I want to put it in there, but we need to figure out a way, because I just don't want it to be just plastic containers in there. So yeah. Oh, and kind of with the living room and kitchen, we have to get 2 more bar stools. So we can have a total of 4. But of course we're gonna go back to IKEA. We went the second time to get this stuff, so we gotta go back to get more stuff. But the next goal is to complete the living room / kitchen and make our way to our bedroom. I'm not gonna say too much about our bedroom until we get there, but it's gonna come out really nice. It's gonna be very cozy. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I mean, putting different things up. Yeah. So see y'all in the next Project Cozy episode. Bye. Bye. Bye.